how to take care of your container plant or pot plant. Welcome. If you are new to gardening or you love having fun gardening, welcome. This channel is all about gardening, sharing tips, knowledge, and having fun doing it. So today we are going to take a look at my 27 pots of plant herbs and vegetables that I planted, and we are going to give it water, and also we are going to put a cage around them to keep them in place, so when they started producing fruits they will be in place, they will not be all over. That's what we are going to do today. And if you want to join this family of having fun gardening, well, consider yourself subscribing. If you have any question at all, leave it in the comment section below for me. And I'm always learning about gardening. I enjoy doing it. I have fun doing gardening. So we are going to do then the cage that we are going to use. The cage is here. This is the cage that I'm going to use to put around the herbs and the fruit and the vegetables. And that's it. So let's dive right in. You can see our plants. See them all. They are doing well. And they look so lovely. It has been, so this is week 3 since I planted all the herbs and the vegetables, and we can see them all. They are doing so well. So first thing that I'm going to do is we are just going to give it water. And so let me start. I just do a simple watering. Sometimes when I'm in a hurry, I don't use a water can to water. I just put them in a container, pour them on, simple, easy, and then I'm done. So exactly that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to waste too much time on this. So let's see how I do that. We already have some, you can see right here, we already have this. We have pepper already. There is pepper in here. This is growing already. So this is amazing. Soon we'll have a lot of pepper to go with. So that means everything is working so neatly. So with this, I just take my water because I want to get this done quickly. And then I'm just going to start giving them water. that we've given water to all our plants, vegetables, and herbs, this is my corn. The corn is, you can see, it's been 3 weeks. It's doing greatly. It's coming out nicely. The okra is also doing well. You can see it comes out really nice. And then you can see this is my curled parsley. It has developed well, and I even use some of them for soup and stew. You can see how lovely that looks. And this one as well. They are all doing both nicely. And then you can see this is our basil. They are both doing great. And we have our tomatoes here that is doing well as well. And this is our onions. You can see how it's growing down there really nicely, both of them. So this is my collard greens. I can only see one coming out, so I don't know what happened to the rest. I don't know if they are going to come out or not, but I can always plant them because there is still a few times. So I'm going to let this grow and see if more of the rest will come out later. And then you can see the peppers are doing well. This one has actually grown already. Pepper is coming out of it. You can see already. So this one as well, it's already producing the actual pepper. And then you can see the flowers all over. They're all doing great. So that's good thing. Meaning our garden is growing. We're gonna get a lot of vegetables and herbs. Already I'm eating them, so that's lovely. Already I'm eating the basils, I'm eating the kale parsley. I've already put them in soup and stew, and it's lovely. Okay, now about our tomatoes, we can see these are the tomatoes. They have grown. Look at this, it's getting taller. And this one is the chef orange, the beefsteak. These two are the beefsteak tomatoes. And this one is the pink lady. So these two are pink lady. You can see how they started growing big like that. And this one is the brand wine. So these two tomatoes are brand wine. You can see how bigger this is getting already. So we need to put the cage around them to keep them in place. And then this one is going to be the Roma tomato. So these two are Roma tomato. And now that we finished giving them water and making sure they are doing good, we are just going to put the cage around them now.